Hi, so today I'm making a video in support of your sinuses. We want to open up this whole area. As you move into fall and going in towards winter, it's a time of the year when we're kind of concerned about the sinuses clogging up, and we want to make sure that we have our full capacity to breathe. So here's a wonderful way to work, and this is Chinese energetic massage, using acupuncture points to stimulate to open up the sinuses. So let's begin. So you can work with any finger you want, but I like to use my index finger, and we'll go right here into the corner of the nostrils. This is a large intestine point. So with a little pressure, using the fingertip, let's do a little massage as we manipulate that, making circles. It doesn't have to be, we want to go slow and gentle here. Just kind of manipulating the chi to help the sinuses that are located in the head in this area. And do about 9 of them in one direction. And then 9 more in the opposite. Keep breathing in and out through the nose. And then we're going to move, you got more cartilage at the bottom of the nose and more bone over, skin over bone at the top part of the nose. So find that place where there's a border between the cartilage and the bone, the actual bone that's associated with the nose, and press on here. This is an extra point. It's not associated with any channel. It's part of an extra point, but it's really good for helping the sinuses. So let's just make little circles here. 9 little rotations in one direction. And 9 more in the opposite. Great. And now let's move up to the bridge of the nose. So you're not in the eye socket, you're right here at the bridge of the nose, another extra point. And let's do a little pinching of the nose here as we make little circles 9 times. And let your awareness stay with the area that you're working on. That helps to bring a little bit more flow. Move through any blocked energy that might be here. And then 9 more in the opposite. Good. Now that we've opened up these points, let's rub those points. So take your thumb, place it right here at your cheekbones, take your knuckle of your index finger, and rub up and down the side of the nose, trying to move the energy through these points. Getting a little bit more, so a little force, a little pressure here, because we want to open up the sinuses that are in the head at this area. Up and down, up and down. And now we don't want to forget the lower sinuses. So now move your thumb to the jawline, take your corner of your index finger and go under the cheekbones and release. So we're only focusing in the downward direction. Under the cheekbones, under the cheekbones. A little pressure there to move the muscles of the face so that we can also move the energy that might be stuck here in the sinuses. Good. 2 more. And just take a moment just to breathe now. In and out through the nose, and just get a sense of how it might be more open here. There's probably a good chance it feels better than it did before. And that's something you can do as much as you need to whenever you're feeling congested or clogged up, so that we can really get the energy into the lungs. I invite you to use that to support yourself. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.